Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Gelyn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para naman ma-notify kahit meron tayong mga bagong updates, tips, tricks, and tutorials dito sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, another quick tutorial ang gagawin ko. I'm going to teach you how to stop text from auto-changing formats in Google Sheets. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. And that's it for today's video. And if you want to learn more about Google Sheets, tricks, and formulas, marami akong tutorials about dyan. Check nyo lang sa aking YouTube channel. And thank you for watching and see you on the next video.